Hello guys, I'm Andrii and I'm a founder of engineering tools. This is my video series of telling what things I built, how I built them in its transmission number 0, July the 2nd, year 26. I will start with introducing myself. My name is Andrii. I'm a firmware engineer, I'm building hardware, I'm building a kernel.cat, LabWired and proto.cat currently. I am located in Budapest and looking for people to use my tools, looking for people that are interested in building hardware. The goal of this video series is to document my journey, to show how much revenue I'm making as I go with my startups, and promote it for sales, for marketing and pilots. You can reach me always at andrii.com, and I will introduce tools I'm making. First tool is kernel.cat. It's a cat you can use with ChatGPT, with code to build real things that are manufacturable. Here I built a spice dispenser, and you can see rotating parts. You can see two servo motors which are rotating everywhere with spices, and we have a feeder here which also rotates and gets some spices and puts them inside this exhaust port. And this was totally built by Claude. You can do different things. You can modify the model. You can ask ChatGPT or Claude to change colors, to make it transparent, to rotate, to create animations. Yeah, so that's a kernel.cat. Build manufacturable things with coding agents. And another project I'm building is LabWired. LabWired lets you build hardware without having hardware on your table. So I provide you with virtual simulated hardware blocks you can connect together and run your firmware against a virtual circuit in your browser, and also for CI, continuous integration. Here, for example, I made a test circuit for a company in Netherlands called Cow Manager, which detects how happy is a cow. It displays it on the screen, and it records how active is a cow using accelerometer data, so how much it's moving. And all of these connections are real connections, SPI connections, I2C connections. Soft is running on simulated MCU. You can see registers, traces, memory, source if it has source here, and it's a real circuit running in your browser. And the most interesting thing, you can even ask ChatGPT to build things for you. Like, for example, I have a circuit here. I can request ChatGPT to build a circuit for you, and it will build the circuit and deploy a code, so you can build virtual circuits with ChatGPT and test them before you have any hardware. And that's what LabWired does, building real circuits in your browser, building real circuits with your agents. As I said, my current focus is having pilot projects, so if you are building hardware, I will be glad to get in contact. And if you are good with sales or want to work with me, I will be glad to stay in contact, so drop a mail at andrii.com. That's the end of transmission 0, and see you next time, guys. Thank you.